This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and in today's video we would like to show how you can find and see the internal storage amount that you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the My Phone category over here, and at the ROM section you'll be able to see how big is the phone memory or internal storage that you have in general. If you would like to see a more detailed breakdown on the storage usage, how much space you have left, how much space you have taken by apps, just go for the respective storage category of settings, and in here you'll be able to check this information. As you can see, in my case, only 23.16 gigabytes of storage are occupied, which makes it 9% or so. And as a bonus, the last thing that I want to point out today is that the storage category of settings, you'll be also able to look up the exact amount of memory that each category of things take. For example, images, audio, apps, system, other documents, or videos. So that will be it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.